Hello everyone, my name is Brian and today I'll be reviewing the Citizen Nighthawk CA0295-58E chronograph quartz watch. This watch is a 42mm, 200-meter water-resistant watch that retails for about $400 in the US, and you can probably find them new for about $200 to $300. This specific Nighthawk I have with me is not new. I bought this on eBay for about $80. Chips on it and a few marks around the case. I'm going to try to get the focus on this so you can see just what these chips look like. There's one right here, a couple right here, and some marks on the case. There's also just a little bit of wear on the bracelet. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a black, I guess, ion plating coating on it. And this watch is all black, as you can see. The style of it's very nice. I get quite a few compliments on it when I'm wearing it, considering it's supposed to be a very stealthy black watch. So you can tell that the last owner of this watch, they wore it pretty rough. So this would give you a good guide on how it's going to look with some wear. What I noticed is that the black coating, it's not bad, but after a while, like little scratches, they're quite visible on the watch, and that's not really a bad thing because I think after wearing the watch for a while, like the scratches make the watch look more rugged. It doesn't stand out too much. It looks pretty natural, like you don't care too much about the watch, which is part of this watch's image. Like it's supposed to be kind of like a rugged watch, so that wear, it doesn't seem to be a problem. I noticed that there's also just some, I guess, like dust that goes in between the bracelets. It's like a white dust, and because it's a black watch, it's pretty visible to see just like the dust and maybe like dirt after a while in between the links. But if you're not too picky about these things, it's not really a problem. I usually wear this watch when I'm wearing like a black t-shirt and jeans, and I find that the style of the watch, it goes real well with just if you're wearing black and matching. It kind of gives a style that like you're not trying to match your watch too much, but it just happens that your watch is all black. So it's very cool. Yeah, I get a lot of compliments on this, just from people, like they notice how dark it is and they think it's pretty cool. Yeah, and my wrist is about 6 inches and 3/4, and because this is 42mm, I was afraid it'd be a little bit big, but I'm just going to put this on. It actually fits my wrist very comfortably. The lugs sit very nice. It just seems the size is just perfect. Like any bigger and it'd probably be just a bit too big for my wrist, but yeah, it looks very good. And for a watch that retails for about $400, the bracelet's pretty good. It's pretty light. It's it moves around a bit, but it's not bad considering for the price. It seems to work pretty well. The clasp is nice. There's a lot of space here. There's no like second clasp for adjustment, but you have this. You can make the adjustments here. There's 3 holes here. That's pretty standard. Yeah, it's pretty decent though. I had like no serious problems with the bracelet. So on the chronograph of this watch, I found it a little bit interesting. When I start the watch, I can hear a click. I don't know if you can hear it, but it does make a click. However, when I try to stop the watch by pressing the button again, that click is not audible anymore. So when I press it, I don't really hear anything, so I'm going to press it right now. And the watch did stop, but it didn't make a sound the second time. I'm not sure if that's a common thing for Citizen watches, as this is my first Citizen, but my other chronographs, they still make a click when I'm stopping. Then the chronograph is just going to sweep, and it does make a click when I reset the watch. The lume on this watch is not the best. It's pretty bright. If I remember, it's a bit of a blue lume, but once that lume kind of goes dim, if you're in a dark room trying to look at the time, it's very difficult. I brought this watch, let's say, to a movie theater, and like I couldn't really read the time with any ease. But it's not, if I need to wear a watch in like dark places, I'll probably just grab another quartz watch in my inventory. This one is just mostly I just wear it when I'm just trying to match with my black clothes, and again, like it looks great. More people have said positive things when I'm wearing this watch than any other watch I've worn, and that's including like, you know, very expensive watches, and it's just because of this like matte black style. I'll just try to move this watch again so you can probably see this at different angles. And I hope you like my impressions of this watch. If you found this helpful at all, just give my video a like and add some comments. I'll be glad to reply to anything if you have any questions. Thank you.